Hi, my name is Allison and I'm a certified fitness trainer. I am so excited to receive the Terra-Glide. This is a brand new product and I cannot wait to use it. The Terra-Glide is compact and so versatile. As you can see, you have the dome-shaped top, and then when you flip it over, you have some different options. You can pop some handles out, you can use the wheels, or you can just use it as a flat surface. It's so easy to transition exercises. To get the handles out, we're gonna go ahead and squeeze the sides, pop up the handles and give it a little pull. And then from here, we can do exercises dome side down, holding the handles like push-ups or doing anything with an unsteady surface. To easily put them back in, squeeze, and then pop the handles back in. The next thing the Terra-Glide has are wheels. So you can easily pop them out, rotate, and then lock them into place. And instantly, it's a glider. Flip it over, and we can do all of our rolling exercises. So make sure to support Terra-Glide with this Kickstarter program and get yours today.